Chapter 6. Working with HTML. Chapter Outline. In this chapter, you will learn about 1. HTML elements, 2. Text properties, 3. Font properties, 4. Setting margins, 5. Setting borders, 6. Creating list in HTML. Ambi. Hey KB, our upcoming class is about to take our HTML skills beyond the basics. KB. More than the basics? What are we exploring? Ambi. Imagine this as HTML's power up. We are going to explore elements that add flair to our web pages, like creating lists, setting margins for neat layouts, and crafting borders for a polished look. KB. That sounds interesting. What's so special about list, margins, and borders? Ambi. Lists help organize content, making it easier to read. Margins allow us to control the space around elements, giving a neat appearance, and borders add a stylish frame to different sections on our web pages. KB. So, we are getting creative with our web design? Ambi. Absolutely. These features are like our web design tools. We are taking our HTML skills and turning our web pages into well-organized, visually appealing creations. KB. Count me in. Let's add some style and structure to our web pages with these advanced HTML features. HTML elements. There are some basic HTML elements that you will need to use frequently. Let us understand them one by one. We will use CSS to style these HTML elements. Paragraph. Any text containing more than a few lines should be given inside the paragraph tag. We use the P tag to display text in the form of a paragraph. To mark the end of the paragraph, /P tag is used. Syntax. Open P tag, closed P tag. Horizontal rule. The HR tag is used to insert a straight horizontal line. It is used as a separator between blocks of text. It is an empty text. Syntax. HR tag. Text properties. All elements have various properties. For example, text, font, margin, etc. All these properties have default values. These values can be changed by the person writing the code. The text properties provide you various text formatting options that help you style text in a web page. Various text properties are as follows. Property, description, values, examples. Line height specifies the distance between two lines. Syntax. Line hyphen height colon value. Values. Normal, default, number, a number that will be multiplied with the current font size to set the line height. Length, fixed line height in px, pt, cm. Percentage value, line height in percentage of current value. Examples. Line height, normal, line height 8px. Color specifies the foreground color of the text. Syntax color colon value. Color name hexadecimal color value. RGB color values. Color red. Color hash 243535. Color RGB 45, 65, 150. Text align specifies the horizontal alignment of text or block of text. Syntax text hyphen align value. Left, default, right, center, justify. Text align, justify. Text shadow specifies a list of shadow effects to be applied to the text. Syntax text hyphen shadow colon H value V shadow color. None color name color value H shadow specifies the position of the horizontal shadow. V shadow specifies the position of the vertical shadow. Text hyphen shadow 2px green. Text decoration specifies the decorations that are added to the text, underlining, line through, etc. Syntax text hyphen decoration colon value. None default defines a normal text. Underline defines a line below the text. Overline defines a line above the text. Line through defines a line through the text. Text hyphen decoration colon underline. Text transform controls the capitalization of text. Syntax, text hyphen decoration value. None, default, the text appears as it is. Capitalize the first character of each word in uppercase. Uppercase, all characters are in uppercase. Lowercase, all characters are in lowercase. Text transform uppercase. Word break specifies the line breaking rules. Syntax, text hyphen decoration value. Normal, words will break according to their usual rules. Break all, the lines will break at any character. Keep hyphen all, the lines will break at hyphens. Word break break hyphen all. Type the following HTML code in Notepad and observe the result. Seek more. Discuss the different text properties in class in detail. Font properties. Font properties facilitate the settings and appearance of individual characters in a line of text. Let us discuss various font properties. Property, description, values, examples. Font specifies all the font properties in one declaration. Font style, font size, font family. Font italic 20 pixel Arial. Font family specifies a list of font names. Font name, font-family, Arial. Font size specifies the size of a font. XX, small, X small, small, medium default, large, extra large, extra large, larger, smaller, value, percentage. Font hyphen size large, font hyphen size 17 pixel, font hyphen size 14 pt. Font style specifies the style of the font. Normal, italic, oblique. Font hyphen style, italic, font hyphen style, oblique. Type the following HTML code in Notepad and observe the result. Setting margins. The margin properties are used to set the margins for an HTML element. Property, descriptions, values, example. Margin sets all the margin properties in one declaration. Margin hyphen bottom, margin hyphen left, margin hyphen right, margin hyphen top. Margin 10px, 5px, 5px, 10px. Margin hyphen bottom sets the fixed bottom margin of an element in px, pt, centimeter, etc. Length default value is OPX. Margin hyphen bottom 1 centimeter. Margin hyphen left sets the left margin of an element in px, pt, cm, etc. Length default value is OPX. Margin hyphen left 3 centimeter. Margin hyphen right sets the right margin of an element in px, pt, cm, etc. Length default value is OPX. Margin hyphen right 5px. Margin hyphen top sets the top margin of an element in px, pt, cm, etc. Length default value is OPX. Margin hyphen top 10px. Quick tips. If you write the margin property as margin 15px, 20px, then top and bottom margins are 15px, right and left margins are 20px. If you specify the margin property as margin 20px, It means that all the 4 margins are set to 20 px. Setting borders. CSS allows you to set styles of the border of any HTML element. You can set the border width, border style and border color. Property, description, values, example. Border sets all the border properties in one declaration. Border-width, border-color, border-style, border solid 3px green. Border width specifies the width of the border. Thin, medium, default. Thick, length, you can define the thickness of the border. Border-width, thick. Border-width, 5px. Border-style specifies the style of the border. None, no border, dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset. Border-style, solid. Border-color specifies the color of the border. Color name, color value. Border-color, red. Quick tips. You should specify the border style property before the border color property, as an element must have a border before you change its color. Type the following HTML code in Notepad and observe the result.